two giants in the web hosting world, but only one can earn your trust. Which one really delivers? On the left, we have Hostinger, famous for its affordability and beginner-friendly features. And on the right, SiteGround, known for lightning-fast speed and top-notch support. Let's skip the marketing talk and see how they actually perform. We'll break it down by category, awarding points as we go so you'll know for sure who wins each round. The final result could surprise you. Before we get hands-on, let's take a quick peek at our mind map for today's showdown. We're comparing these two across: price, performance and uptime, security, ease of use, WordPress features, storage and international reach, and of course support. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll know exactly which one suits you best. So first up, price. Hostinger really comes in swinging here with lower starting prices, lower renewals at least in the beginning, and honestly, they pack a ton of features even at the cheapest tier. Oh, and you can even pay with crypto if that's your thing. The only catch is after that sweet intro period, renewal prices spike up a bit. SiteGround, on the other hand, is a little more straightforward. Their prices are higher upfront, and to be fair, you do know exactly what you're getting. But honestly, you get fewer features for that higher price. So yeah, for sheer value, Hostinger easily takes this round. Now let's talk performance and uptime, because what good is a shiny website if it's slow or down all the time? Hostinger boasts some pretty nuts speed, like we're talking 0.8 to 0.9 second load times thanks to their Lightspeed servers. Plus, they've got like 13 data centers around the world, which is wild for a budget host. The only thing is, performance does depend on which plan you're on. SiteGround fights back with their own CDN and optimization plugin, and their uptime is genuinely impressive, but tweakers might need to spend a little time to get it just right. In most real-world tests though, it's just a touch behind Hostinger. So yeah, Hostinger sneaks out the win in speed and performance. Alright, shifting gears, security. This is where things get interesting. Hostinger covers the basics. You get free SSL, DDoS protection and backups, but honestly, compared to some hosts it's a little, well, standard. SiteGround though, they've definitely geeked out on this one. Their security setup includes an AI anti-bot system, custom firewall, real-time monitoring, and on top of that you get daily automated backups. Some of the extra goodies can cost more, but still, security-wise, SiteGround just feels like a safer bet. Winner here, SiteGround hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Hostinger actually started as a student side project, and now they're hosting, get this, over 29 million websites all over the globe? Talk about a glow up. So what about ease of use? Hostinger keeps things super beginner-friendly with their custom H-panel. It's clean, it's drag and drop, you can't really mess it up even if you try. But if you're an advanced user who wants to tinker with every little setting, you might hit a wall. SiteGround offers their Site Tools panel, which honestly gives you way more control, but yeah, there's a slight learning curve at first. For most people though, especially if you're newer to hosting, Hostinger is just easier and faster to get going with, so this one goes to Hostinger. Moving along to WordPress features. If you're building on WordPress, listen up. Hostinger gives you managed hosting at a super affordable price plus one-click installs and staging. Not too shabby, but here's the catch. They're not officially recommended by WordPress.org. SiteGround, meanwhile, is on WordPress.org's short list of official hosts. You get things like WP Starter, easy staging, on-demand backups, and when you need help, their support team really knows WordPress inside and out. It does cost more, but if you live and breathe WordPress, SiteGround definitely edges ahead here. Alright, let's talk storage and international reach. Hostinger really flexes with 13 data centers across the globe, and you get a generous chunk of SSD or NVMe storage, especially at the lower price points. The trade-off, they do have stricter inode limits, so heavy file hoarders beware. SiteGround has solid coverage too, but with 11 locations and less storage for what you pay. Basically, Hostinger is the global runner and gives you more space to play with, so another win for them. And finally, support. Hostinger has 24/7 live chat and email, which is nice, and their help docs go pretty deep. But and this is kind of a biggie, you'll hear mixed things about just how fast and helpful the support actually is. SiteGround takes it up a notch. You get live chat, email, and phone support, and their reps are genuinely WordPress experts. There have been a few newer complaints about slower responses, but overall, you're getting that premium touch. Gotta give this one to SiteGround. Alright, let's zoom out for a sec and look at the big picture. On our radar chart, you can see where Hostinger just crushes it: affordability, speed, storage, worldwide reach. Meanwhile, SiteGround's got those pro-level WordPress tools, plus the kind of security and support that's perfect if your site is mission-critical. So, honest opinion time. If you want the absolute best bang for your buck, especially if you're building your first site or want global coverage, Hostinger just makes sense. But if you're deep into the WordPress ecosystem or you value top-tier support and airtight security, SiteGround is absolutely worth those few extra bucks. Go with whichever fits your vibe, but I hope now it's a total no-brainer. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.